Hello everybody, welcome back to TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for latest tech updates and gadget reviews. Today we are unboxing and testing this small Arctic Fox Jet Bluetooth speaker. It's a compact, stylish speaker that promises big sound. So let's see this. So let's unbox. Here inside the box we got this Bluetooth speaker. As you can see, it is very small, compact. Inside this we got type C cable for charging purpose. Let's keep aside and see how it's really work or not. This Arctic Fox Jet feels really solid. It has rugged design with a fabric mesh front and rubberized sized. Compact and lightweight, perfect for travel, outdoor use. And is on the top we have this control button, power button. And in the back you can see this is a carabiner clip for hanging this speaker. It has a Bluetooth 5.3 for strong and fast wireless connection, and surprisingly powerful for the size, and it can work up to 8 hours. So let's check its performance. Is it really worth it or not? Click to the power button and just connect to your mobile. Here you can see this Arctic Fox Jet. So now let's play some music and test this small tiny Bluetooth speaker performance. I have decreased the volume. Now let's increase. For such a small speaker, the sound is really clear. The bass is punchy, mids are sharp, and it doesn't distort even for full volume. And it can say the size is small, but the function is very loud and large. Really good and very best products. So what you can say, guys? Is it really good speaker or not? Let me know in the comments. And guys, it has also built-in mic. It tested it for phone calls. It can charge via USB-C cable, and a full charge gives you around 10 hours of music playback, perfect for a trip or even more. If you're looking for a budget friendly Bluetooth speaker under 2000, this is definitely worth it, and check it out, guys. And if you enjoyed this unboxing and review video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TechnoWaves for more awesome tech content.